6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. Rescue and save.
Rescue?
So this one should be called JungG CHX01.
JungG?
Yeah, JungG. That's my name. Or that's the team. That's not my name. Excuse me. That's my team name. The Jung Faha group. It's called.
Yes, I don't know why I changed my name to Roy. I wish I changed my name into.
All right. So this is our Kerbal space station.
Yeah. Oh, do you know the funny name that I call myself on Zoom meetings?
Huh.
Zoom is an app that you can see each other. I call myself Q. Oh, it's a long way. QEW. Going on and on. How to like it takes a long time to say it. I don't even remember it.
Okay.
Where are you going right now?
Right now we're not going anywhere. We're just looking at things.
Yay! Is there anything that we can recover?
Over there, there's a
No.
station. There's a space station. I mean, there's a airport over there as well.
Airport? Yes.
Yeah, over there.
That's cool.
So let's
In
see.
the island?
We have mission control. So let's go to mission control.
Remember that space? Remember that space? Remember that space ship that we launched into the ocean? That was last time. I like that. It was got a lot of rewards on that. My iPad's power is 56. So it was 50 and now it's 56. Because I turned the things very less. Oh, I'm gonna turn on my. There you go. Now it's gonna be louder a little.
I guess we'll just have to do it the old school way. All right, we're going to quit and we're gonna start a new game.
Okay. I do remember how to start a new game.
So start new. It's gonna be called JungG.
JungG.
CH underscore learning. So LRN underscore 00. So it looks like an M, but it's actually an LRN. We're going to do career. We're going to do difficulty. We're going to change things. So, for example, we're going to...
Oh, sorry.
We're going to give us the maximum amount of money. We're going to start with the maximum amount of science and reputation. 100 penalty 1, yes. No entry purchase required, no, we turn that off. New parts will require us to pay for them. Auto hire crew members, no. Indestructible facility, no. Include stock vessels, yes. Allow launch sites, yes. Now we go to advanced.
Oh, the light means yes?
Yeah, well, yes, it just depends. Enable Kerbal experience. Allow negative funds. Sure. Part has pressure limit. Do parts fail when passing their pressure limit in dense atmosphere or deep water? Yes. Do parts have GeForce limits? Yes. Do Kerbals have GeForce limits? Yes. Resource transfer bay, crossfeed rule. Prevents manually transferring resources across parts that cannot crossfeed with each other. Maybe. Always allow action groups. Makes action groups always available. And yes, action groups are very important. We want action groups.
Oh, okay.
Require signal for control. Yes, we need radio control signal. And plasma blackout. Plasma blackout is what happens when it goes through an atmosphere at a certain speed. Enable extra ground station. Yes. NASA countdown clock. Yes.
Toolbar control.
Okay. X. So it's just basic. Everything looks good. Advanced. It looks good. Accept.
Yeah.
Career and oh, change the flag. We're gonna put our team flag, the JungG flag, right here. Accept.
Yeah.
And now we click start.
It's okay what flag we choose, right?
Yeah, we're choosing the team flag.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna read it. Can you read that?
I can't see the words really.
Okay, that's fine. I can read it for you.
Yeah, I don't care.
All right. So here goes. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Space Center. I am JungG Ch Lrn, Flight Director, and your guide for this quick introduction. This is the Space Center. From here, you can manage all aspects of space program. Feel free to have a look around. Hold the right-click mouse button to move the camera and use the arrow keys to move around as well. Or WASD keys. Right-click over the Space Center facilities to see more information. And if you need more information, check out the training section on the main menu. Thanks, we've got it.
Yeah,
Okay,
I got it too.
so let's go to get ourselves some astronauts. So first, we can have only one more astronaut, and we're gonna have an astronaut called... So these are the default astronauts, but we want one more. So let's go back here, and I'm gonna do... I think it's Control Alt F12? Control Shift 12?
I don't care who's last person. I don't mind. Just likes to see rockets and spacecraft launch up.
Yeah, I'm trying to... Sure, we're gonna go ahead and save. No, cancel. Let's save the game. Save game. And this is clean start. We're gonna call it. Control Shift. Control Shift. Then. For some reason it's not working. Let me look it up real quick.
What? Get this black screen of thing.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
KSP key. I'm looking for the key for debug menu.
Oh, my little
Okay, it's
sister's
Control
down.
Alt F12. That's what it is.
My little sister is in the restroom.
Control Alt F12. That's what I did, but it's not working.
What's F12 mean? What's F12 mean? Well, I don't know what that is.
We're gonna get to that in a moment. I'm just trying to, for some reason it's not letting me do that.
Tracking station. There's a lot of stations here, right? And my head's upside down. I'm gonna lock my iPad. I'm gonna lock my rotation so I don't get upside down.
Oh, okay, so welcome to the tracking station. Hi again, this is the tracking station facility, and here you can view all the solar system, as well as the current positions and trajectory of all ongoing missions. When you have missions in progress, you'll see them listed on the panel at your left, and you'll be able to take command of them from this screen. Sometimes contracts may require specific destination in orbit or on a surface. Those will also be visible here. Lastly, if you want to see the same map viewed during flight, just hit the M key. Okay, that's good to know. We have nothing flying right now. 0.
Yes!
Oh, we have 5 stationed though. So we have the Kerbal Space Center. We have an airfield here. Looks like we have a launch site and an airfield here at the desert. And we have a launch site up here, the Boomerang launch site. So a total of 5 of them. Okay, we can close that now.
We're laying on the carpet. I like to. Oh, that's a lot of land.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Again, there we go. It's working now. And we're going to...
Yes! It's working, Abby.
We're going to go here and we're going to... Kerbals. We're going to create a Kerbal and we're going to call him Royal. Male. Okay?
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, let's make one with your name. Royal, right? And do you want to be a pilot, Royal?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to be courageous. Partially courageous and just a little bit stupid, right? Okay. And then create. Ready? Boop. And now, if we go down here, your astronaut's right here. Royal Kerman. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to change your outfit. You said you wanted a blue one?
Yeah, I like blue.
Okay, so you got it. There's your pilot.
Blue's my favorite color.
Great. And you're a pilot, so that's great. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the science section. Research and development.
Yes.
Well, we don't have to do that just yet. Let's see. Let's check out the space plane hangar first.
Space plane?
Yeah, space plane hangar.
Space. I get space plane because.
Welcome to the space plane hangar. The SPH. Hello, I'm Warner from Von Karman, Chief Rocketeer Engineer. This is the spaceplane hangar. Here is where you will build spacecraft that later will take off from the runway. On your left, you'll find components to construct your own spaceplane. Select a starting part, then attach others to it to build. You can then have a look around with the right mouse button, arrow keys. You just got the place cleaned up, so try not to mess it up too much. If you need more guidance on how to build spacecraft, have a look at the training section of the main menu. Got it. Thank you.
Got it.
Let's see what parts we have. We don't have a lot of parts. Looks like we don't have anything to build planes.
Okay.
So I think before we build rockets, why don't we build planes? Would you like to do that?
Yeah, cause I think planes will help rockets a little. Cause scientists invented planes first.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe planes will help some rockets launch off.
Right.
Cause they both have engines, but they have different ones.
Mm-hmm.
And they both fly.
So that's the tracking station. That's the launch pad. That's the runway. So here we have the research and development. And let's try to get stuff that'll give us like wings, right? Stability and things like that. So this is, we don't need basic rocketry, but we want engineering. Engineering will give us thermostat, a decoupler. It'll give us a communitron so we can communicate with base. That's important. And another antenna to communicate with the base. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and research that.
You need to communicate a
Yeah.
lot of things.
Do you want to research this?
I don't care. I don't care if anything.
Well, if we don't research it, we can't get it.
Oh yeah, I want to research it.
Okay.
I want to.
So now you see it's green. We unlocked it.
Yeah.
Now, should we go for parts that'll stabilize stability? So reaching for the stars starts with keeping our spacecraft pointed generally in the right direction. So we want winglets, right?
Can you pause for a sec?
Yeah.
Sometimes paper airplanes they need stabilize so they need to stabilize the same thing.